This is the iApollo Pro app. Click here to view the channels, and here we have set up, and we can drag the cameras from the channel configuration across to the windows on the screen. This is the third camera, and here is the fourth one. Once we've got our video, click in the top left hand corner to bring our screens to view. Touch here and this will show multiple screens, 6, 9, 16, back to 4. Here we have 6 view. We can drag the windows around to our heart's content. They will move and take the place of another one. If we take a picture of this one, if we click here, that will take a snapshot which will go to your photo album. This will set up your favourites. You click here and type in a name here. We'll call this one Test 4, I think. And click OK, and that will set it up. Now let's delete a couple of pictures. This is the delete button here. And we'll call this one Test 6. And click OK. Now if we scroll the button to the left, well, how we go from Test 6 to Test 4. Click here to get rid of it. Right. Now if we go to this one, any window can be turned into an ePTZ camera. Well, this turns it electronic PTZ. And by dragging out with your fingers, you can zoom in on a section of the screen, and then by pulling it around on the app, you can actually view parts of the screen. You can't view bigger than the original picture. You are limited within that, but you can zoom in on parts of the image. Click here to get rid of it. This is your channel configurations. All configurations are here. This is your device manager. Tells you all about the particular device you've got on at the moment. This is the channel configuration, and you can pick up literally this will set up for each individual channel, so you can set up in new channels on there. Push configuration. This is for motion detection, camera masking, your local alarms. And we'll set all of these up here. As you click on them, that activates that camera for those different things. Your favourites are shown here. If we do Test 4, there's Test 4 that we did with 4 cameras. There's Test 6, which shows 2 cameras. Your local configuration is for the PTZ camera, and the bottom one is for your help files. There's extensive help files on how to set everything up on here. Your device manager is all how to set it up on there. Your real-time manager, PTZ controls, and all the PTZ explanation there. Audio talk, channel favorites, how to use the scroll wheel, playback, audio, channel configuration, and local configuration. We take this window here. If we hold this button down, this will give us the bidirectional microphone, and we can put it on for the channel there. If we go for this window here by pushing that button I've just shown you, we can now set a camera up and do timing to record on a given thing. Click the top one of these two, and that will show the current time. If you click on the bottom one, we can drag it forward 2 or 3 minutes and tap on it, and it will now record the 2 timing, which will show in the window at the top of the timer chart at the top of the window. By tapping the window, you get a scroll bar here, which can show 60 minutes, 30 minutes, or 5 minutes by tapping at the right hand side. And you will see that the time, which goes from 9:23 on the left to 9:25 on the right, will be shown at the top right hand corner, which will show there whatever the time is on the scroll bar where you've scrolled to. We'd like to set up a PTZ camera here. We have one set up on the demo site, so we've got a PTZ demo camera set up here. And if we get rid of that part of it, tap on there to bring it up so it's full screen, and then tap on the PTZ controls. We have the normal PTZ controls. These are the left, right, up and down scrolling windows at the top, followed by down below it is the zoom in and zoom out, sharpen and lighten, So that's sharper and lighter, and the bottom one, sharper and duller, and the one underneath it is lighten and darken. And that's the VTZ.